Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your very own inventory system in Roblox. It works just like the default Roblox Hotbar, but the best part is you can customize it however you want. Let's start with a brand new Roblox game. Head over to the Toolbox, click on My Tools, and drag in the full custom inventory system. If you don't already have it, no worries, it's the first link in the description. Just click that link, hit Get Model, and it will show up under your models. From there, you can drag it straight into your game. To make the system work, open up the folder that comes with it, then drag the contents into StarterGUI. Follow the instructions to ungroup everything, and you can delete the leftover folder since we don't need it anymore. Now, let's test it out. Go back to the Toolbox, search for some tools, and drag a few into your game. Click play, and when you walk over them, you'll see they're added to your inventory. You can open and close the inventory, equip items like the knife, throw it, use the flashlight, and even rearrange everything by dragging items around. You can also use the search feature type in knife, and only the knife shows up. If you want to customize the system, open the GUI folder and check out the script inside. You'll find a settings section where you can change lots of options. For example, you can tweak how the inventory looks. Just edit the tool button, drag it into the hotbar, and you'll see exactly how it appears. You can reorganize everything, change the layout, colors, and more. Just remember to adjust the values properly when editing. Another cool feature is attributes. Let's say you add a pizza tool. If you go into its attributes and create one called amount, you can assign a number to it. For example, set it to 10, and when you pick up the pizza in-game, it shows you have 10 of them. This is perfect for things like seeds, food, or any items where the quantity matters. Should I drop longer tutorials on how to actually script things? Let me know in the comments if that's something you'd like to see. And that's pretty much it for today. If you decide to use this system in your game, don't forget to like this video and subscribe, because I'll be making a lot more tutorials just like this one.